So I just wanted to come on and show you how to use the Ikea sofa planner. It's really easy, and I just love that you can literally choose all your own parts of your sofa and it's, you know, your own design. So yeah, go on to Ikea sofa planner, just type that in, and then it's the first link that will come up on Google. So just click on that, and then it'll take you into this wee page that's got all the different sofas that they've got. I think they're all really, really nice. I love them, but mine's is the Vimle, so we'll just start with that. That'll take you onto this wee page that's got different configurations. I just find it easier to start from scratch, so we'll just click on that, and then that'll take you into the planner page. So the first thing you want to do is choose your fabric. Mine's is the Gunner Red Beige. I don't know if I'm saying that right. There's lots of different fabrics on there, so just choose whatever you like the best. Or you can go in and see them in store to make sure you really love the one that you're picking. So you want to start with the chaise on the left if you're doing the same as me, but then you can choose the 2-seat or the 3-seat, and you can just move them around to suit whatever is going to fit your space. So then you can add on the corner piece, and then the 1-seat, but you could have 2 or 3 or just whatever suits your space. And then you want to add on the footstool. So for some reason the footstool isn't snapping on at the end, but it comes with wee feet, so that's fine, and we can sort that later. The footstool and the chaise long, they both have storage, which is great to have. You'll probably fill it with crap, but it's still good to have storage always. So in here it's got all the bits, and you can see with the armrest there's 2, but when you go in and add them to your basket you'll be able to delete one off, so that's what I would do. And it's not letting me add it to bag here because some of the parts are out of stock, but what you can do is you can save the combination, and then that gives you a wee design code here. You can use this one that I've done if you want the same bits, and then you can take that into the store and they might be able to order the bits in. That's what I did, and they let me take some parts home that day. We had to get a van, and then the rest came a week later. So it really, that's really fast in the sofa world.